When we created the main restaurants page, we executed a query to get all of the restaurants in the database. I will use the ID number of each restaurant entry in order to find a specific restaurant to update. Let's go ahead and replace that hashtag with the restaurant ID number and then a backslash and the word edit to indicate a new path where we will edit our menu entries. I will now create another if statement that looks for /edit in my URL. Since I chose to edit restaurants by their ID, I need to find a way to grab that ID number out of the URL. The split command in Python comes in handy here and returns an array of strings separated by the backslash. I figured out that the third value of this array contains my ID number, so with this 2 here, I'm grabbing the third element of this 0 indexed array. I then do a restaurant query to grab the restaurant entry equal to the ID in the URL. If I find that query, then I generate a response and begin to render the page. I can create a form with one field for the new restaurant name. Let's create a post method and pass in the path for the /restaurants, /ID, /edit, passing in the ID of the restaurant I want to edit. I also pre-filled this field with the current name of the restaurant. I close all my tags and add this output string to the W file. Now, let's write up the post response for our edit form. Some of this code might be starting to look pretty familiar. After making another if statement, we grab the input from our form again. Then we perform the query to find the object with the matching ID. We reset the name field to the entry we created in the form, then add to the session and commit. I then added a redirect to bring us back to our restaurants page after the code has been executed. This was a lot of code to write, so let's save and rerun our server again to see if it worked. If I rename Panda Garden to the new Panda Garden, look, it's been updated in the database and on our restaurants page. The source code for Objective 4 is also available in the instructor notes.